Welcome back everyone, Red02 here. We got truffles here and the tires go flat on this thing all the time and it's a pain to even get it moving. So we're gonna pop out the GOOLOO GT4000 and the portable air pump and show you guys how you can take one of these jump starters and fill up your tires. What? Actually, wait a minute, what am I doing here? Get rid of the air pump. I ain't throwing a GOOLOO, but I don't need to rig up a tire inflator anymore. This is the GOOLOO GT160. It's 160 psi portable air pump. This thing is tiny, so we're gonna unbox this, air up the tires, and I no longer have to rig up my little portable air pump anymore. So let's get into it. All right, since we're working on truffles, we're gonna use Truffles hood as a workbench. So this is the GOOLOO GT160. It's a portable air inflator. So it's the first time we're opening it up. You get the user manual, whole bunch of different languages. But look how tiny this air pump is. I can't get it out. So that little tiny thing is the air pump, and then it comes with your air hose, which just gets screwed in right here. So that's all it is. You get your charger and some air adapters. So it's pretty cool. It comes with the little air adapter for like a road bike, the tires on that, and then it comes with a nice little bag to hold it all in. All right, we got her all undone. It's got a 160 psi capacity. It's got smart mode, so you can either fill up a bicycle tire, a car tire, truck tire, or a basketball, and it'll automatically fill it up to the correct psi and shut off. Or you can do manual mode, and it has automatic shut off, so once you reach the psi that you're looking for, it will shut off the unit. I think it's even cool. It's got a flashlight on it, and it even has an external power source, so you can like charge your phone with it, or if you have another USB device that needs to be charged, this battery bank will also help out with that as well, and it will fill up your tires. All right, we got her set to 4 psi, and we'll just fill her up. And there you go, automatic shut off. So we'll take this off. 4 psi is a little bit much for what we usually run, but I couldn't even move this before. And now, with the tires filled up, it rolls right back and forth. So guys, definitely check out the GOOLOO GT160 160 psi air inflator. This thing's pretty cool. We're going to do some more testing and give you guys my opinion. All right, we've got a de-beaded ATV tire, which I think would be a good situation for the GT160. Maybe out on the trail, you pop a bead off and you have no air pump. This is nice, small, portable. So we're gonna see if this is able to seat the bead back on. I'm not entirely sure if this is gonna work out. I'm hoping it is. The max inflation PSI for this tire is 28 PSI, so we're going to set this to that and we're going to turn it on. and 28 psi, and would you look at that. I think it needs to come up just a little bit, but that is a tire that is full of air now. There's a little bit of water. I was filling these up with water, that's why it was debeaded, but I'm happy with that. There we have it, just over 7 minutes we've reached 60 degrees. It's warm to the touch up here on the back. You have the caution hot, the hose. You should not be touching this. That is very warm. But a 35 by 12.5 by 18-inch tire was just filled up in about, well, from 51 psi to 60 psi. We still have 2 bars left. I have filled up multiple tires thus far. So I think this is pretty darn cool. It's pretty darn versatile. Like I said, I just filled up a 35-inch truck tire, 9 psi in about 7.5 minutes. So it's obviously not going to win you any major races with these big tires, but I think this is going to be a great addition to the fleet. And we're going to use the GOOLOO GT160 tire inflator, or air inflator. So we got set on 8 psi, and right now we got 0 psi on the cart tire. And we're on up. And just like that, automatically shuts off. Super cool, super handy, because my air compressor hose is leaking real bad, so it's real awesome to have this thing on hand, so I don't have to hook up the air compressor and let the hose leak. And alright, so overall opinion on the GT160 air inflator, I think it's pretty cool. The only gripes that I really have with it is my personal LCD screen was not that bright. This one, like the pictures show that it's super bright, but mine is kind of difficult to see in the daytime. But other than that, I don't really have any issues. I've dropped this on the ground a couple times, running it around on the pavement and stuff like that, and scratched up the screen a little bit, but other than that, it's held up pretty good. Something that I would probably use this for is like keep it in your vehicle as an emergency. This will go from 4 psi up to 160 psi. It has an auto shut off, so I think that's pretty cool. But what I really like about this is how small and compact this is. We could put this in a book bag or a ammo can or something, storage box on either your off-road mower, your side-by-side, your ATV, and I was able to seat these front tires completely flat off the bead. I was able to seat them with this, so I think that'd be a great option to have out on the trails. Also, it's got a 7,500 milliamp battery pack in it, so you can charge your phone, you can charge your GoPro, you can charge your anything that hooks up to USB. And check out the GOOLOO GT160. Thank you again for sending me this out. I'm thinking I might pick up a couple more to throw in the vehicles and take on the off-road trips with me. So until next time, have a wonderful day.